What's up, guys? Infernity234 here, and today I have a Tidal Dragon Ruler of Waterfall tin to open. I'm really excited for this tin because every super rare in it is a card that I need to finish a deck that I'm working on. So let's open it up here. I also need a Constellar Sombre too, so hopefully we can pull that out of one of the Tachyon Galaxy packs. So let's see here. Just a paper telling you to buy more of their stuff. And ooh, that looks nice. So yeah, we have the secret rare Tidal, which probably doesn't show on this camera very well, but it looks really good as a secret rare. And next, BLS, which doesn't be used much anymore by anyone, but it needed another reprint. And Cataster, which really needed a reprint. And Gustav Max. And Bear, which I need to finish my Constellar deck, so very happy that got a reprint. So let's set all these here. And got, oh, good, Hidden Arsenal 7 pack. I'm glad it wasn't a Hidden Arsenal 5. But yeah, let's start with Abyss Rising first. And Bispike. Very good, very good. And let's see. And Abyssmander. All Mermail cards. Well, hope we get a Lava Ball chain out of this. Oh. That sucks. One Dracosack. Oh, Sacred Sword. That's a good super. Oh. Well, anyway, Sacred Sword. That's a good super to get. But yeah, guys, that's the Tidal tin, and hope you enjoyed it.